It's a 2014 Maserati Quattroporte. From the country that invented sex appeal comes the fastest, most magnificent application of it yet, the Maserati Quattroporte. It comes with great features you love. Twin-turbo V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, dual-mode exhaust system, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the console, front heated leather bucket seats, wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, and automatic transmission. Since 1914, Maserati has fearlessly endeavored to awaken your soul. The time is now. See it for yourself today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.